caught fire. It's out. Hey, bro. I'm wondering whether I am pushing too hard.
Go, go, go!
Okay, right. There's hope. What is the date?
I don't know. Whoa! Morning everyone, it's finally track day. He's not going.
Hello, enjoy Sepang.
Yeah,
Don't die.
He has meetings.
Do not die.
We'll try. But we are about to leave the hotel now. So we're gonna be heading off for a petrol stop first, and then we're gonna hit the track. We're at the petrol station, the natural habitat of RX-8s.
In a row, boy. I can't deny it's what's on the line. I'm kicking you out, chasing after.
We're here in the wrong pit. Hello, it's my girlfriend.
Hello.
Wait, what happened to Sam?
He might have a broken LSD.
Broken LSD?
Maybe.
I guess this is the track card, 911 minus 588. Okay, wait, we really need to go and register.
Can say you do heal the pain in my soul.
I heard your LSD eaten.
May not be lah. We will see.
We will see.
We will find out. We'll find out.
We will find out.
Yeah.
Malaysia's Petronas Sepang International Circuit sports 15 turns with a total circuit length of 5.5 kilometers. It wasn't the first time our gang had headed up for track day, which meant that we all had personal bests we were looking to smash. For some context, here are the timings that our cars would typically be doing on this track. And these were our personal bests. So we're here at track, and Jaden, what time are you expecting today?
0.
0?
Hi, not really.
We're not even on the first lap yet, and Jaden's bumper is already out.
I'm not in the mood to joke around right now.
Oh, is that for me? There's some pretty serious people. We saw a few track Gallardos.
There's a race Gallardos.
Yeah.
There's a GT3 Cup car.
Yep.
There's a McLaren 620R.
There's an 812 here.
There's an A12 super fast. Yeah.
I don't know whether that's racing or not, but that's
Oh no, it's on the list.
It is.
It's on the list.
The CLS 63, which is disappointingly quiet.
Yeah, it went by quite quietly.
Oh no, COVID.
No.
Oh shit, actually works. Hey
Well,
Sam.
it really has a few-
0, empty.
You wish it was a gun right
Oh my
now.
god, I'm dead.
Oh, fuck.
Having faffed about for about half an hour, we made our final adjustments before heading out for Shakedown.
Let's go for it. Painting coming.
With our initial timings on the board, we headed back into the pits.
So back from the first set of hot laps.
Is your car understeering?
I didn't drive fast enough for it to understand. Okay. John and Sam just got back from their laps. John, you were driving it?
Yep.
Would you like to know what time you got?
I know. 2:37. I don't know how close to the limit I was. I mean, there's definitely a lot of driver errors lah, but I'm wondering whether I am pushing too hard because now it's in the daytime, right? And obviously the best times will come in the at
Evening,
night,
yeah.
after the sun goes down. So I feel I may have been pushing a bit too hard, too early.
Okay. You have a time in mind today?
2:30.
2:30.
That's our goal, what?
Daniel is still not here, and it's not because he's on track. His car is still at the workshop, so we don't really know if he'll show up at all today.
So it is some time now.
Our track day is supposed to start at
2 p.m. It's now
15.
4:15. How do you get here?
I really want to go through that right now.
The rotos are on the way here. Do you think you'll make it back to Sepang in time?
It's an 8-hour track day. I have plenty of time to spare.
Fingers crossed he will, but can't keep our hopes up. So, what's your target lap time today?
251, I got it already.
251.
Yeah.
What was your last time, your lap time here?
2.2.
So, to sub 240.
Mile, I hope.
So amidst all this, I realized I forgot to do something. The coilovers are still in my daily driving mode, so they are all on max soft.
With Shakedown complete, it was time to set some proper hot laps. But as we soon realized, that was going to be a bit harder than we thought.
Yeah? Yeah? Red flag. Red flag? Oh shit, red flag, Anton!
What followed was a series of frustrating red flags, making setting a hot lap nearly impossible.
No! Okay, at least we didn't waste the effort though.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Oh my god! I went out, red flag, or either that or I waited there.
Your brakes are slightly on fire.
What? My brakes are on fire? Whoa, my brakes are on fire.
But with track temperatures dropping and conditions getting more ideal, we didn't waste any time and got back in our cars. With personal bests across the board, our target timing seemed more and more reachable.
It's what time is it?
The car is all mutual. Sorry? The car is all
It's
mutual.
7:19. Unfortunately, I don't know where Daniel is. I think the rest of us are gonna go out for a few more hot laps. Your most recent is it? 2:42.461. Wait a minute. No, I just saw.
What rest of it?
I don't know. Wow! He's here! You went in the wrong pit.
Hello there.
Hello!
With Daniel's problem seemingly fixed, we wasted no time and sent him out on his first laps. Breaking his personal best, Daniel clocked 2:33.062 on his first lap, but not without some small issues.
Do you do a cool down before coming in?
Yep.
Exhaust?
Wait. I rev it, see if it changes.
Yeah.
It's exhaust leak. Desperate.
This is your 9/10 right here. Jaden's at 240.9 now, so he's about 9/10 off from his aim of 239. We're going to be stripping the FD2 out of its passenger seat. John's going to send it in the last 30 minutes of track day, and then we'll see what we can do with the FD2.
At this point, Daniel was actually out on track, clocking in another personal best. With Daniel hitting a new PB and one step closer to his target of sub 230, he headed back into the pits to make some small adjustments.
What?
Car caught fire. It's out.
Hey. You okay, right?
Right? Okay.
You have brakes, right, Daniel?
What a day.
What a day indeed. So it's the last 15 minutes of track. Didn't get a seat outlet.
2 seconds over PB, but 3/10 away from
3/10, oh you dropped it again.
240.3.
Oh shit.
Put your car back together.
Yeah, I think
With just 15 minutes left to the end of track day and a red flag out, it seemed as if we weren't going to be able to get another chance to set the laps that we wanted to. Or would we?
Is it green flag? Green! Go, 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 go!
Cameras.
Where my camera go? Are you taking it out?
Don't take out my bag.
Take out your seat faster! You've got 10 minutes. Send it, boy!
There's hope.
With another red flag out ruining the first set of hot laps, it meant that there were only 2 laps left to hit our targets.
He just set a PB.
Not fast enough.
I know, but it's like... I'm sorry, Jaden.
No.
You know, right?
I know.
241. Yeah. You did your best. You did your best. We tried.
Never pull handbrake again. 231.
Yes, sir.
0.276. Every single lap that I had mistakes. This car it can do sub 231.
Despite the challenges, we saw improvements across the board with everyone hitting new personal bests. Although we didn't hit our target times, we were all confident that those times were within reach.
With track day coming to an end, we gathered for a quick photo together.
Faster shift your car, bro.
So we can't leave Daniel's car out. Safe to say, we'll definitely be back again.